How to password protect a folder in your Windows device. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can password protect a folder in your Windows device. So let us get started. The first thing you'll need to do is select a folder, and after you select a folder, simply right click on it. Now here you should find the WinRAR option, or you can simply head over to Compress2. Now I'll just use the WinRAR option here, and all you need to do is add it to archive. After you tap on add to archive, you will see set password option. Now I'll just select on lock archive and set a password. After you set a password, you can even encrypt the file names if you want to, and all you now need to do is tap on OK. Now tap on OK again. It'll do its thing, take its time, and now what you'll need to do is you can either delete this folder altogether, and when you try to open this folder here, what you'll need to do is you'll just need to insert your password before you open it. So yeah, that is basically how you do it, guys, and that is all for the video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye. Take care.